First of all, thank you very much for letting me to share my experience with you. To start with, Schneider Electric itself is a global leader in energy management and automation markets, and I was a lucky one who have received the position of B2B integration developer intern. Shortly, I will be working on integrating business-to-business processes by developing and maintaining solutions in order to connect Schneider's internal systems with those of their partners and other key third parties. And I can say that this company is heavily investing in the experience of their employees, making it an ideal place for interns in order to get some valuable insights. My advice for students in order to do their best for their job interviews is to thoroughly research the company and the position itself in advance. Practice answering some common interview questions beforehand and prepare the examples that showcase their skills and other accomplishments. And for sure, it is also important to demonstrate to the HR team your strong interest in this position and your motivation and inspiration to learn new things about this enterprise. Firstly, ESEI's valuable practice-based learning model emphasizes a really hands-on experience, and that has allowed me to gain some industry-relevant concepts and tools. And what is more, ESEI's focus on communication, teamwork, and problem-solving really shapes my interpersonal skills. And this will definitely bring some success in such a collaborative environment like Schneider. And definitely, all the professors make a huge impact to their students. For example, about this particular company, I have known from the lectures of one of our teachers, Antonio Rifar, and his passionate attitude towards this company really encouraged me to pay attention to it. My top tip for fellow students seeking their internships is to definitely leverage their network, because I believe that the connections with some field professionals and attendance of some career fairs will definitely bring you some esteemed opportunities. I think that if I could have any superpower in order to help me during my internship, this will be definitely the ability to retain knowledge more instantly, because I'm strongly convinced that this will allow me to catch new technologies more rapidly, making me more efficient and effective in my role. Schneider saw in me some optimal combination of relevant on the market hard and soft skills, including some analytical abilities, for sure communication and teamwork, as well as the passion to learn new things about this company. Looking ahead, I hope that this experience will help me to build my personal preferences about my future career path, give me the comprehensive understanding of the industry where the company is currently operating, and will help me to enhance my skills and expertise to more advanced levels. Thank you.